In this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub organization in a few minutes. A GitHub organization is a great way to streamline team collaboration by giving everyone shared access to repositories and resources. Before we get started, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's get started. First, head to the GitHub website, your hub for all things code. In the top right corner, click Sign In and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, since an account is required to set up an organization. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, your central control panel for projects and repos. Click your profile icon in the top right to open the drop-down menu, then select your organizations. This is where you can view and manage any organizations you belong to. Next, click New Organization. You may be prompted to choose a plan. For most people just starting out, the free plan is perfectly fine. So select Create a Free Organization. GitHub will walk you through the setup. You'll enter basic details like your organization's name and primary email. Pick a name that's recognizable and relevant, since it becomes part of your organization's URL and should be easy for your team to remember. Take your time filling out these fields to make sure everything's correct. You may then be asked to invite members. Feel free to skip this step for now and add collaborators later. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm the details and your organization is ready to go. That's it. You've successfully created a GitHub organization, and you're all set to add repositories, invite teammates, and start managing projects together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if this helped you out.